How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats, first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here, then just come to the account page from the bottom right. Then what you want to do from here is you want to simply go to payments. So for this you have to go to the wallet tab, and right at the top you'll find an option that says Uber Cash. So you want to make sure to tap on the Uber Cash option over there, and as you find the Uber Cash option you'll find an option to add a payment method for Uber Cash, so you can simply go ahead and choose that. Or sometimes whenever you have purchased something and then you are on the checkout process, so you can also go to view basket and then you can just select the go to checkout button. When you go to the go to checkout option, it will take you to the payment method where you can use Uber Cash instead of using others. So you can select your Uber Cash option, then just tap on order and pay option, and then you can select your Uber Cash in that way. This way you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.